Right, I went around to the wall sockets and quite a few of them that's just loose, backed off. Tighten up the boxes, but this one definitely could use some tightening up. So that's what I'm doing here. You don't want a wall socket that's loose on you. And so, as you can see, in most cases you can, as you can see in the bottom still has some wiggle to it. The top we fixed, and so as you can see, that wall socket is super secure. That's what you want. Otherwise you may get arcing and electrical problems, shortages. Okay, nothing behind there. Let's check this one. That one's could use a little bit, as you can see. There again. That's a good and secure connection now as far as to the box. Okay, let's see any more. There's one back here. Let's see this one. You can see that movement in there. Don't want that. Well, you can tighten it up. Just be careful not to touch the wires inside. Other than that, it's completely safe. As you can see, it's good and tight now. No movement. You don't want movement in there. Check this bottom. Excellent. This one, well, let's check this here. That's good. This one down here, wow. I know it's good because I put it back on. Someone decided to mud it. Okay. Now, there is one back here, behind there, that I'm going to check, and if it needs to be tightened up, I'll do that. Otherwise, check your wall sockets, tighten them up if need be, and you'll be glad for it. Last ones we'll check. Those are good. Look at all the wires in there. They're perfectly fine. They won't jump out and get you. Just don't touch them. And just tighten those up. If that doesn't secure it, then you've got another issue, and that's when you want to call in someone with a little bit more experience. All right. Have a great day. Be safe out there. Praise the Lord. Bye-bye.